In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your school community course. This will be a thorough yet quick guide to ensure your course content is engaging and informative. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to head over to your classroom. Open up the course page where you want to showcase your video. This step is crucial as it ensures you're in the right location within your school community to make these changes. Once there, look for the option labeled Add Video. Or, if you prefer, you can choose to edit an existing page. Keep in mind, having the flexibility to update existing content or add fresh new material provides great versatility in managing your course content effectively. Now, once you've clicked to add or edit, you'll be faced with a choice depending on whether native hosting is enabled on your platform. If it is, you can conveniently upload your video file directly from your device. This method is generally straightforward and keeps everything nicely contained within your course environment. However, if you prefer using an external video platform or if native hosting isn't an option, don't worry. You can easily paste a link. School supports a variety of platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, Loom, and Wistia, offering an array of choices depending on where your content lives. Sometimes the video might take a moment to process. This is normal, as school efficiently prepares your content for optimal viewing. It is important to be patient during this stage to ensure that your video is properly rendered and available to your course participants. Once the processing is successfully completed, you'll want to make sure you hit Save. This is a critical step. Without saving, all your efforts to upload or link your video won't reflect live on your course page. Upon saving, your video will be incorporated into your module, making it readily accessible to every member enrolled in your course. This addition can greatly enhance the learning experience, facilitating better engagement and understanding of the subject matter you're presenting. Whether it's a lecture, a tutorial, or a seminar, videos can convey information dynamically and can often be more impactful than text alone. And there you have it. A concise yet comprehensive guide on adding videos to your school course. By following these steps, you'll enhance your participants' learning experiences and provide them with more diverse and engaging content. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials like this one, and happy teaching!